give weather warnings. Like, we're just stuck in this restaurant. Hey guys, so on our adventure to get to the Botanical Gardens, we actually had to catch this like weird like V-line train. Oh, V-line's not gonna make sense unless you're in Australia, but it's like a country train. It cost us like $30 for a two-way like return ticket for the both of us, so kind of expensive. But also the good news is we paid for it and we ran and got the train with like 1 minute to get here, so go us. On the train, I texted mum and dad and I was like, where is the Botanical Gardens? And they're like, get off at this certain stop. And then we realized that we didn't need to spend $30 on this trip. It would have been like $2.75 like all the other trains. Hey guys, welcome to the Botanical Gardens. We've been in here for about an hour or so, and it is so hot. I have never been this sweaty in my life. We've gone through.
No, we're rationing the water so we don't die.
Yeah, we've only got like this much water left. We were using it as like a cool down method, but
There's only like 20-cent coin worth of water to cool down.
Yeah, and there's like a tram, which is like a little car thing that comes past here. And we were waiting at the tram stop, but it goes like the complete opposite way. So we decided to trudge along. The plants are nice. I'm getting lots of beautiful fresh plant air, but it's humid, and like the little gardens that we wanted to go in, which was like the edible garden, is only available for school groups until 1:30. I'm not going to be here for another hour. I think I'll die in that time. They'll never find me. The coyotes will eat me.
The mountain lions.
Whatever, mountain lions, coyotes, same thing. Whew. Anyway, if you don't hear from us, we perished in the Botanical Gardens. But not the other one, there's two, but we're in the one that's in the Bronx, just in case we die. Peace out.
Many minutes later.
Look who we found.
Spring up.
So guys, can you see how shiny I am? That's just sweat. How gross. Anyway, we finished off at we're obviously back in Manhattan. We finished off in the Bronx in the park, and now we're walking to Tiffany's to go and get some brunch or like dessert. We're gonna have breakfast there, it's just right here. We're gonna have breakfast there this morning, but I didn't really like the breakfast menu that much, so we're gonna have dessert at Tiffany's. So we're looking pretty gross, so hopefully we get there, freshen up. Izzy and Dom are meeting us there, and we'll all look very cute and get a cool glass of wine and live our best lives. Get into Tiffany's. There's like a year wait, but at least a month and a half. And so we're in Trump Towers having our second option, which was Starbucks. Very sad. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We had our coffee at Trump Towers, and now we're shopping at Saks off 5th, which is supposedly a retail outlet store.
6.5 hours later.
Does anyone else have any other suggestions?
So guys, we're back at our favourite place. What's it called? Numero 28. See. Anyway, we've been here before, the four of us, but Izzy and Dom haven't, so we're back. Jason and I are going to share a pizza because it's delicious, and he's probably also going to have pasta. Otherwise he'll starve to death. guys, we're back. We're still in the same restaurant because it actually has poured with rain. Everybody got like a weather warning, like severe flash flooding. Watch out for the flooding areas. Oh my god, this guy has to go do Uber. He's hating his life. The Ubers are like going up like by $2 or $3 every minute we watch it. The news had like severe weather warnings. Like we're just stuck in this restaurant. So we're drinking more wine and we're eating dessert.
Excel's up to 45 now.
Yeah, so last time we looked at Uber, it was $18 and now it's $35. It's a good day to be an Uber driver.